Hey there, Saki here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I want to share 3 amazing cases for your Samsung Galaxy Note 9 from Zyzo Wireless. Now there are going to be 3 cases in this video, all designed to offer great styling and also provide superior drop protection. For each case, I'm going to show you the retail box, what's inside the box, and then how it looks with the Note 9 inside it, and all the links to these cases will be provided down in the description box below. So let's dive right in. Alright, so let's take a look at the first case. Now this one is the Static Series case. It's a defend case, so it is designed to actually defend your Samsung Galaxy Note 9. And if you look at the back really quick, you'll see that this one is the thinnest military grade drop tested cases that they have ever created. So this one is going to be a good one for people that want protection, but they also want something that is not too bulky, not too rugged, something that is in fact as thin as possible. So let's open the box, see what's inside, and put the phone right inside it. So as you can see, it is in fact quite a thin case in comparison to other cases that offer high-grade drop protection, which end up going onto the bulky side. It also has one of my favorite features, a built-in kickstand, which is simply great for watching video on this gorgeous screen of the Note 9 or use it as an alarm clock at night time. And if you look at this case, it has precision cutouts for all your ports and easy access to all the buttons. On the rear, again, you have precision cutouts for the camera and the fingerprint sensor, and I happen to like the overall design of this case with a smooth texture on the body when you hold it in your hands. It certainly does not feel like a cheap case. So that's the Static Series Defend case by Zyzo Wireless. Now let's move on to the next one. Alright, the next case we have here is the Bolt Series case. It's again a defend case, so it's going to protect your smartphone, and it's for the Note 9, as you can see. Now with this case, you also get a tempered glass in the box. Okay, so if you want to actually protect your screen on top of the actual body of the smartphone, this is the case to get. Now the one thing with this case is if you look at the back, now this one actually has a belt holster clip, and I'm going to show you what that means in a minute. And of course, it's got a kickstand as well. So let's crack open the box and see what's inside and put the phone in and let's see how it looks. So here's what you get in the box. You get the tempered glass. Now this is in fact a premium tempered glass. Again, this is going to attach to the screen of your smartphone if you want. Some people like them, some people don't, but if you have a screen that scratches very easy, or if you have a history of cracking the screen of your devices, then this is a good option to have, and it's again precision cut for your Note 9. And really quickly, for those of you guys who do not know what a tempered glass is, it's basically this thing right here, and it attaches on top of your actual screen, so it protects the screen from any scratches and also from cracks. So it's certainly something really nice to have if you're looking for this kind of protection, okay? So the screen is not going to lose its quality. You can still touch the screen, no problem, as you can see. And the fact that you get this free with the actual case is a pretty good sign. But here's the case, and here's the belt clip. So the case goes into this belt clip holder, and this belt clip holder goes onto your belt. So you can carry this case with you without having to put it in your pocket. Just holster it to your belt, and you're good to go. So again, this case, like the last one, has a nice and smooth texture and provides a high quality in-hand feel. It also has a kickstand to easily watch videos or movies on that gorgeous screen. Now this one is a little bit more bulky than the last one, as it offers even higher grade drop protection. It's actually been tested and certified for 12 feet drops. Now we do have the precision cutouts for all the ports and speakers on the bottom of the smartphone, and on the rear we have easy access to the fingerprint sensor, and the camera is fully exposed so you can take great shots. Now this case happens to have my favorite design of all the 3 cases I'm going to show in this video, and of course it looks gorgeous in this blue color. So that's the Bolt Series Defend case. Let's move on to the final case. Alright, so here's the final case. Now this one is an Ion Series case. It's also a defend case. It's going to protect your smartphone. And again, with this guy, you do have the tempered glass free included with it. So this case is in fact designed to give you full protection of your Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So let's crack open the box, put the phone inside, and see what is different about this case. Okay, so the Note 9 is in the case. Now, one thing that is missing on this case is the kickstand. So if you need one of those, consider the other 2 cases. But as usual, we do have a precision cutout on the rear of the case that exposes the fingerprint sensor and the camera. And also on the bottom, we have the cutouts. However, the headphone jack and the charging port are in fact protected as well, using a flap cover that can be pulled out when you need to access these ports. So those ports are protected and also available on demand. Overall, this case isn't as pretty as the other two, but that is just my subjective opinion. Everyone has a different taste. But that is the final case I wanted to share with you guys, the Ion series case. Now all these cases are drop tested. 2 of them come with free tempered glasses and kickstands, and one of them, the Bolt case, also comes with a belt clip. So you have all these various options with Zyzo wireless cases. Like I said, links to all these cases and more are down in the description box below. Go check them out and grab the one you like. And of course, if you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH, give this video a thumbs up, and of course, if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, follow me on all at SAKITECH Online. Guys, have a fantastic day.